Hello, dear students! As you can see in this video lesson, we are going to learn about living beings and the different kingdoms that they are divided into. Through this video, you are going to know more about the different living things that live within our environment. So let's start! Firstly, we need to know the difference between a living being and a non-living being. These are some of the characteristics that living beings have. They move. They need to eat. They reproduce. And they die. Now that we know this, we can keep going on and start with the kingdoms. Animal kingdom is the first one we are going to review. Organisms in the animal kingdom are multicellular and they eat other organisms for food. This kingdom is by far the largest of all the kingdoms. The animals of the animal kingdom can be found all over the world and can be any size from very tiny to extremely big. For example, we've got mammals. We are mammals too. Fish, birds, amphibians, and reptiles. By the way, did you know alligators have been living on Earth for 150 million years? It's super cool, isn't it? Now, let's move on to plants. All plants are a part of the plant kingdom. This includes trees, grass, and flowers. They can make their own food using water and sunlight. Because of that, plants can grow almost anywhere. Did you know that carnivorous plants perceive their victims using small hairs on their leaves? Awesome, right? The next one is fungi kingdom. Fungi have their own kingdom because there is no other organism like them. They are different from plants because fungi cannot make their own food. Mushrooms are a type of fungi. And also, did you know that there are some mushrooms that are poisonous? Ooh! That's scary. Protist kingdom. Protists are similar to Monera because they are also unicellular, but they contain a nucleus. They also have moving parts and can move around their environment. Amoeba is an example of this. Did you know that the infamous malaria disease is caused by a type of protist called protozoon? Just awful! And last but not least, we have Monera kingdom. These organisms are made up of one cell and it's a very simple one because that cell does not have a nucleus. Bacteria are a type of Monera. By the way, did you know that bifidus is a bacteria that we can find in yogurt and that it is very beneficial for many things? Now that we have reviewed all of the kingdoms, animals, plants, fungi, protists, and Monera, it's time for you to show what you have learned during this video. And the last thing I've got to say to you is that you must enjoy your day and we'll see you tomorrow in class. Bye-bye, my fellow students.